Calls versus puts for beginners in TradingView. In TradingView, when you open the options chain, you will see two main contracts, call contracts and put contracts. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock at a specific price before expiration. A put option gives you the right to sell a stock at a specific price before expiration. You buy call options when you believe price will go higher. You buy put options when you believe price will go lower. It is that simple. Calls are bullish, puts are bearish. For example, if you expect a breakout above a resistance level, you go for call options. If you expect a breakdown below a support level, you go for put options. But remember, you are not buying the stock itself. You are buying a contract that increases or decreases in value based on price movement. So before you click that buy button, ask yourself one question. Is price going up or coming down? That answer determines whether you choose a call or a put option. That is call and put options simply explained for beginners.